Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to link Squarespace forms to Google Sheets. So here I am in my Squarespace dashboard, and let's go to our Squarespace website. So just click website, and then from here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to the contact page, since this is where my Squarespace form is located. So if you have a form in your Squarespace website, so just go ahead and go to your form, and then what we're going to do is that we're going to click edit, and then from here, to link our Squarespace form to Google Sheets, we can just click on the form block, and then click edit, and then from here go to storage, and then go to additional storage. So from here, what we need to do is that we just need to connect our Google Drive account, and then just click connect, and then this window will open, so you can just go ahead and connect your Google account to Squarespace, and then you just need to have a name for your spreadsheet right here that will be created in Google Sheets. So let's say this is a sample sheet from Squarespace, and then that is it. So you can just go back, and then you'll just wait for this to finish, and then now it is connected to Google Sheets with the name sample sheet from Squarespace. So from here, I'm just going to open my Google Sheets account, so I can just go ahead and search for Google Sheets, open it right here, and then now let me just sign into my Google Sheets account. And then as you can see, it has now already created this sample sheet from Squarespace. And then when you click on that, it will contain all of the submissions that you have just received from your Squarespace form. So for example, let's submit a form right here. And then let's have a test name, and then let's enter an example email, and subject, then message right here, and click submit. Then from here, we can go back to Google Sheets, and then as you can see, it already created the data right here for the submission that we just did right here in the Squarespace form. And then that's it. So that is how we can link our Squarespace form to Google Sheets. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.